Good morning, traders. This is Razak at CMTrading. Welcome to today's market review. Today is April 9th, 2014. Today's Wednesday. We're going to start out with the economic calendar as we do always. Not much for the economic calendar today. As you can see, USD, Fed FOMC minutes, just a general information about what's going on with the economy on the federal level. Tomorrow we should see, overnight, we should see some major numbers coming out of the Aussie USD. I'm sure you guys have seen that the Aussie has really taken off. We're going to go into the graphs just briefly. And then later tomorrow you have the ECB monthly report, Bank of England, and USD initial weekly jobless claims. All right, but for today, major news with the Aussie USD coming out tomorrow or later tonight. Keep an eye on this pair. Okay, it's the Aussie USD. Major stuff coming out on it. As you can see, we're hitting on a daily. Okay, we're hitting almost not all-time highs, but a major level. Okay, this is resistance. We hit resistance here before. We've hit somewhat of a support on this level before. We broke out from this level before. So this is a really significant level. Okay, right here at 0.93604, just shy of 0.94 just a brief comment on it. Really broke out this level at 9,300. Just if we could maximize the graph, we could get into a little bit better mode. Just let's look about it. Just here, excuse me. All right. Really taking off very strongly. Broke up this upper level at about 91 and never looked back. Okay, and that was at the end of last month, towards March 25th. And as many times correlated with the news, we're hitting a major resistance level as we saw previously here. So keep an eye for potential. Either you could do a short or a brief buy. I kind of bought a little bit in here, chasing it up. Knowing that they're going to squeeze everybody out. I may go short later today, but but if you do go short, just be careful, okay, because it should trade quite volatilely. So if you're up in the middle of the night, it's definitely a trade to keep in front of you. On the other side, GBP USD, okay, really strong, taking off, making this major move up. This is on the daily chart. As you could see earlier, also trying to test this multi-resistance level at 106, excuse me, 167.396. These are major levels up here. Okay, if it does break higher, I would be inclined to say that it's going to go even higher. The fact that it's testing it 3 times in a row, that really adds some credence. Okay. For it to go higher. I mean, if we look at a weekly, see how far this thing has come down. See, there's not just testing it recently, it's tested it before. So this is really a major level to keep in mind. The fact that it made this higher low, okay, and hit resistance for what was previous resistance, and now support, I'm more inclined to say that this thing is going to take off. But like I said, be careful when you're trading these at breakout resistance levels, okay? But definitely an opportunity to be trading it, absolutely. Should be a nice trade today. Keep it on your radar for tomorrow also, as the some news coming out of the UK tomorrow of the Bank of England rate decision. Okay, that's a major number. On the other home front, USD Japanese yen. USD really took a dive the past couple of days. Still taking this losses, coming down from let's say 103.5, okay, showing some major weakness and continued tanking. Let's see how far it could go down. Oh, we are at resistance level at this level, so if you are short, maybe it's a good place to take some money off the table and book your profits. But I would expect a little bit of a jump, a little bit of a retraction here. So the next level it could go up to is 102.49. So a 50 pip move, which is not, it's respectable, okay, but nothing to really write home. but it did take a big tank, so keep it on the radar. All right, this thing, every time it's challenged the upper range of things, it always breaks down. On the other home front, gold really retracing back to above 1300 level, holding steady at 1311, hitting as high as 1315, 1314 in overnight trading. This thing got, if you remember, got clobbered from 1387, 1390 to 1297, 1280. So you're making higher lows, higher highs, making higher lows, higher highs, but there are multiple stoppages to this commodity. I would say resistance level is 1316, further resistance level 1324, and support level about 1306. Okay, so if it does continue to go above, start booking your profits because you're going to be in a lesser risk versus reward ratio. The Dow Jones didn't do much yesterday, just went up 10 points, really nothing to write home about after this big retracement down. But I would really keep this and continue to keep this on my radar to see for any further capitulation, and then to see maybe we could test the highs again and see how the economy is rebounding in the United States. I wish you guys a great trading day. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Have a good day. Thanks.